All right, guys, I think it's recording. I'm going to show you how to do the construction for parallel lines. First, you need to know what parallel means, so you should write this down on your notes. Parallel means lines that never touch. And actually, instead of touch, I'm going to use the word intersect because that's right. Lines that never intersect.
Your intersect will never touch.
Okay. In geometry, we have symbols for everything. The symbol for parallel looks like this. Just two lines really close together. Okay. So if I had a picture of parallel lines like these I'm drawing right now, I'm going to give them some names, A and B. If I wanted to say that A is parallel to B, I would write it like this. A parallel to B. Okay. And there's actually another notation for parallel, which is, which looks like this. If you're given lines that'll have arrows on them like that sometimes in the middle of a line, that means this is parallel to that. And if there's more than one pair of parallel lines, sometimes they'll have extra arrows like that. So you know the ones with two go together, the ones with one go together, that kind of thing. So you can read. So this whole part are just the steps for when I'm not telling you how to do it for you to read later. So I'm not going to read those to you. I'm just going to show you. All right. I need to put something heavy on this. Okay, so here's how you do it. First step, you put a point somewhere not on the line. So I'm going to put my point way up there. That works. And then I'm going to draw a line straight through it at any angle to the line that we started with. Like that. Just so you can really see what I'm doing, I'm going to highlight from below the point that I just drew an angle. And that's going to be the angle we're going to use to make parallel lines. So first, you're going to put the spinny part of your compass on the vertex. And you want to make an arc so that so it crosses through both yellow rays. Like that. Okay, so I just made an arc, and now I'm going to slide the spinner up to the point that I drew to begin with. And I'm going to make that arc again. That's the end of step 4 on your notes. The next part is we need to figure out how wide this angle is. So we're going to measure with our compass from between those dots, those places where the arc intersects the line. So I'm going to go from here to there so that both points are showing in my compass. I don't actually always draw points for that. I usually just look at it, but I put points so you can see. And then I'm going to slide my compass up to the arc that I made up here. Put the spinner on that intersection and make a small arc that will intersect with the bigger arc I made before. And the last step is to connect between the point that we drew to begin with and the point we just made with those arcs. So I'm going to put my compass and draw the line. And these are parallel. That's it. That's how you do it. I'm going to stop this now and then I'll show you the rest.